Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove family link from Google account. So for that, at first just go to your Gmail account, click the top right your profile icon, and here click on manage your Google account. Now from here scroll and go to people and sharing. Now here you will see the members of your family group. Just click on manage your family group and click on a member that you want to remove, just like this one. And here you can see remove member. Just click on here and click on continue. Again click on remove, and this is how you can remove family link from Google account. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.